In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order grocery in Temu. Let's start by opening Temu in your web browser. If you're on the mobile app, the layout is similar, so you can follow along easily. Once you land on the home page, take a moment to let everything load so you can see the full navigation at the top. At the top of the page, look for the main navigation bar and click on Categories. This opens a panel on the left side of your screen with a list of product groups. In that panel, scroll until you find Food and Grocery. When you see it, click Food and Grocery to enter the dedicated grocery section. You'll now be browsing all available food items. Take your time here, scroll through the listings, and explore the subcategories you're interested in, like snacks, pantry essentials, or beverages. The images and titles give you a quick idea of what's on offer, and you can keep scrolling to see more options. When you spot an item you like, click it to open the product page. Before adding anything to your cart, review the photos to check packaging and size, and read through the description for details, like quantity, ingredients, or flavor. It's also helpful to scan the customer reviews and ratings to see real feedback on taste, freshness, and delivery experience. If information like weight, number of pieces, or storage instructions is important to you, confirm those details on this page. Once you've decided it's the right item, select any available options such as pack size or flavor, adjust the quantity if needed, and click Add to Cart. After adding the item, choose Go to Cart to review your selections. Inside your cart, carefully check everything before checking out. Make sure each product is the correct variation and quantity, confirm the prices, and ensure any discounts or bundle deals you expected are reflected in the total. If you're timing a delivery, look at the estimated delivery window to see if it fits your schedule. It's also a good idea to confirm that all items can be shipped to your area. If you realize you missed something, you can return to the food and grocery section to add more items. Your cart will keep what you've added so far. When everything looks right and you're satisfied with your picks, you're all set and ready to move forward at your own pace. That's the process for ordering grocery items in Temu. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough makes your next grocery haul smooth and stress-free.